ReelFarm AI is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released software. Whether you're looking for automation, smarter workflows, or a tool to improve your productivity, this might just be what you need. Stick around because by the end, you'll know if ReelFarm AI is the best AI software for your needs. Let's jump straight into it. One of the most appealing aspects of ReelFarm AI is its simplicity. It's built with a user-friendly interface that's perfect for both beginners and professionals. If you're tired of software that's overly complicated and takes forever to figure out, this is a breath of fresh air. You can start using the platform immediately with very little learning curve. Next, the software is packed with powerful automation features. It allows you to automate your workflow, making everyday tasks like social media content generation, content repurposing, and even marketing strategies a breeze. If you're someone who manages multiple projects at once, the automation saves you tons of time and effort. Think about this. You could have your social media campaigns running without the constant need to tweak or monitor every post. The third crucial thing is its AI-powered analytics. ReelFarm AI doesn't just create content, it also provides deep insights into how your content is performing. The built-in analytics tools give you data on engagement, reach, and even the most optimal times to post. So instead of guessing what's working, you have real-time data at your fingertips. This is key to tweaking your strategy and growing faster than ever. What makes ReelFarm AI stand out even more is its adaptability. You can integrate the software with other platforms like Google Analytics, MailChimp, and even your existing CRM systems. This level of customization allows you to create a tailored solution for your unique needs, whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or content creator. Another key feature that you can't ignore is its AI-powered content generation. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media updates, or even emails, ReelFarm AI helps you speed up content creation without sacrificing quality. It uses advanced natural language processing to produce text that sounds as if it's written by a human, no more generic robotic posts. ReelFarm AI also offers exceptional customer support. If you run into any issues or have questions, the team behind the software is responsive and ready to help. You won't be left hanging if something goes wrong, and that's something I really appreciate in any tool I use. Now, here's the bonus. You can try out ReelFarm AI completely for free. That's right, you can test the software, explore its features, and decide if it's the right fit for you. No risk, no commitments, and you get to experience its value firsthand before making a purchase. And finally, before we wrap up, I've got some recommended AI software in the description below, all of which you can try for free. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones that stood out. If you're someone looking to optimize your workflow and improve your digital marketing efforts, these tools could be exactly what you need. So, to recap, ReelFarm AI offers a sleek, easy-to-use interface, powerful automation, AI-driven analytics, content generation, seamless integrations, and top-tier customer support. If you're looking for an AI tool that brings real value to the table, this is one you should definitely check out. Don't forget to hit the first link below to give it a try for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.